The main learning objective for this module is to provide a detailed understanding of how to set up and use the ACC Mobile app. Avigilon Control Center Mobile, or ACC Mobile, gives you access to live and recorded video in your Avigilon Control Center system from mobile devices. ACC Mobile is currently available for free from the Apple App Store and the Android market. Before you can use ACC Mobile, you must consult with your system administrator and make sure the following software are installed in your Avigilon Control Center system: Avigilon Control Center Gateway 4.8 or later, and the Avigilon Control Center Server 4.8 or later. For the gateway, you will need to know the IP address, port number, username and password. For the server, you will need to have a username and password. The ACC Mobile workflow is the same across all devices, but there are some differences between the Apple and Android device controls. In Apple devices, you display the context menu by tapping the screen once. In Android devices, you display the context menu by pressing the menu button on your device. Be aware that the menus and buttons may look different from device to device. After you install ACC Mobile on your mobile device, tap the ACC Mobile icon on your home screen or application menu to get started. When you open ACC Mobile for the first time, you need to set up the gateway and log into the Avigilon Control Center servers. When you first open ACC Mobile, you are taken to the settings screen. Notice that the gateway settings below show 0. You need to have at least one gateway connection to use ACC Mobile. Tap Gateways. Since you do not have any gateway connections yet, you are automatically taken to the Add Gateway screen. Enter the gateway's IP address and port number, then enter your username and password for the gateway. To use Secure HTTP to access the gateway, select the Use HTTPS option. Tap Done or OK. The new gateway is added to the gateway list. Next time you tap Gateways from the settings screen, you will automatically be taken to this screen. Next, you need to log into the servers that are connected to the gateway. The servers are the same as the ones you would access from the Avigilon Control Center client software, so you need to log into the server to access the connected cameras. On the gateway screen, tap a gateway. You are taken to the gateway servers list. Since you have not yet provided a username and password to any servers, you are automatically taken to the login screen. Tap Login To and select the server you want to log into. All servers are selected by default. Next, enter your username and password for the server, then tap Done or OK. You are now logged into the server. Back at the Gateway Servers list, tap the server you are logged into to access the connected cameras. The cameras list shows all the cameras that are connected to the server. On the left is the last frame of video the camera recorded. Tap a camera to add the camera to a view. Now that you've set up ACC Mobile, you will be automatically taken to the View screen next time you open ACC Mobile. All of your username and passwords are remembered, so that you do not have to enter them again. Like the Avigilon Control Center client software, video is displayed in a view and is organized by image panels. You can add and remove cameras in a view and change the layout. To edit the view, display the context menu, then tap Edit. The Edit View screen is displayed. To add a camera to the view, tap the green Add icon, then select the camera you want to add from the cameras list. To remove a camera from the view, tap the red Remove icon. To change the view layout, tap Layout and select the layout you prefer. To move image panels, drag an image panel to a different position in the view layout. When you have finished editing the view, tap Done. Every time you add at least one camera to a view, a new view is added off screen. Flick left to switch to the new view. To switch between views, flick left or right. To maximize an image panel, double tap an image panel. When maximized, you can zoom and pan the video, use the connected PTZ controls, and access the camera's recorded video. To zoom in, place 2 fingers on the image panel and pull apart. While zoomed in, drag the screen to pan across the video image. To zoom out, place 2 fingers on the image panel and pull together. Double tap the image panel again to restore the view layout. If you are watching video from a PTZ camera, there will be a PTZ button on the menu bar. Tap PTZ to display the camera's PTZ controls. Tap and hold an arrow to move the camera in that direction. To zoom in and out, tap and hold the magnifying glass icons at the bottom of the screen. Tap Presets to use a configured PTZ preset. The presets are configured in the Avigilon Control Center client software and cannot be changed in ACC Mobile. To hide the PTZ controls, tap Done on your Apple device or tap Live from the context menu on your Android device. To watch recorded video from a camera, tap Record from the menu bar. The playback screen is displayed. To watch video from a specific time, tap the calendar icon. On the following screen, select the date and time of the video you want to see. On your Apple device, scroll the calendar to select the date and time. On your Android device, tap the top left button to select the date and tap the top right button to select the time. Tap Current Time to reset the calendar to the current time. Once you've selected the time, the events that occurred within 15 minutes of or overlap the selected time are displayed. Select an event and the video is displayed in the view. To play the recorded video, tap Play. To fast forward, tap the right arrows. To rewind, tap the left arrows. Tapping the arrows again increases the playback speed. You can play the video up to 8 times the original speed. The number above pause shows you how fast the video is playing. To stop the recorded video, tap Pause. To step forward 1 frame, type the right arrow. To step backward 1 frame, tap the left arrow. When you have finished reviewing the recorded video, tap Done or Live to return to the camera's live video stream. While monitoring either live or recorded video, you can take a snapshot of the image panel. Touch and hold the image panel that currently displays the image you want to save. When the snapshot menu appears, select one of the options. If you tap Save Image, the snapshot is saved in JPEG format and is stored in the photo gallery of the mobile device. If you tap Email Image in your Apple device, the image is automatically attached to an email message for you to send. This option is only available if you have set up email on your mobile device. If you tap Share Image on your Android device, you have the option to share the snapshot through any photo sharing application installed on your device. If you encounter any problems while using the ACC Mobile, you can contact Avigilon support directly from ACC Mobile. Note that you must have email set up on your mobile device to use this feature. On your Apple device, tap the Settings icon, then tap Email Support on the settings screen. On your Android device, tap About, then tap Support Email link. You are automatically taken to a new email screen. Support@avigilon.com is automatically entered as the recipient. Enter the details of your issue and tap Send. Thank you for your attention. You should now have a general understanding of ACC Mobile.